Hi there, my name is Juan Zaragoza, the director and founder of Mariachi Las Olas de Santa Barbara. Been so fortunate to collaborate with so many schools through Creative Children's Project and able to bring a little bit of mariachi music to these young people and more importantly of my experience of growing up in Santa Barbara and the music experience.
My name is Elizabeth Callahan. I'm the music teacher for Adams Elementary School, and today we are welcoming Mariachi Las Olas de Santa Barbara. And this is such a wonderful opportunity for students to learn about mariachi music and to connect that experience to an arrangement that they are working on in orchestra and band classes of De Colores, which is a beautiful song that we've used as Song of the Month this year for Adams Elementary School.